Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am presenting the best Canon EOS Rebel T6 digital SLR camera in detail briefly, so, let's start. Canon EOS Rebel T6 digital SLR camera. 18 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, picture sensor and elite execution Digic 4 Plus picture processor guarantee the great speed and commendable quality. Top of the form and configuration highlights include polycarbonate development. Configuration minimal changed from EOS Radical. T5, EOS 1200D. Weighs 485 grams. ISO 100-6400. Expandable to H. 12800, for shooting from brilliant light to low light viable with iFi cards. Implicit Wi-Fi and NFC availability that permits quick offering to viable gadgets and online entertainment organizations. 9-point AF framework that incorporates one focused cross-type AF point and simulated intelligent servo AF upgrades the self-adjust results. Superior execution optical viewfinder that works with quick and exact centering to have the ideal chance.